Today I'm going to be applying these Essie nail stickers, and they're the perfect Valentine's Day stickers because they have little love text all over and they're just so easy to do. I absolutely love them, and I have some tips on how to get the best application and the longest wear. We're going to start by opening up the Essie Sleek Stick UV cured nail stickers. They said they're long lasting. The kit just comes with the stickers and instructions. There's no additional emery board or cuticle stick. I have my own, so I'll be using these that I already have. I got these from Sally's Beauty. I have a tiny bit of nail polish on my nails, so I'm going to first remove any residue of that with my nail polish remover. I washed my hands with soap and water, and I'm just going to use some rubbing alcohol to swipe each nail. Next, I'm going to push back the cuticles just very gently. And next, I'm going to file my nails just to even out the texture. And I'm going to wipe down my nails again with the alcohol prep. Starting with my smallest nail, I'm going to choose the one that's the right size. I think it's the littlest size right here. We're just going to peel it off and place it over the nail. And press down. Then you're going to bend the sticker so it bends over the part of your nail that it's not covering. The next step is to file down to remove the part of the sticker that is the excess. On this nail, I decided to use the other end of the sticker. One side is a little bit wider than the other, and you can see on my little pinky finger it's a little bit too wide at the base, so I wanted it to be a bit more narrow since we're going to file off that end anyway. As you remove the part that you filed down, you can then fix the shaping with your file afterwards. Next, I'm taking that cuticle stick again and I'm going to push down on all the stickers on the nails to really seal the sticker to the nail bed. They're not going to fit every single person's nail bed perfectly and evenly, so just to make sure that they stay on much longer than I anticipate, I'm going to do a coating of a clear nail polish. Where I really want to focus the polish on is any edges and also parts of the nail that didn't get completely covered by the sticker. As a last step, I'm going to add the Avo juice from OPI. It's a very light gel-like hand lotion. The reason why I'm using that instead of an oil is because if you add an oil to your cuticles, it will encourage peeling off the sticker, and you want to keep them on there as long as possible. So I'm just using a really light lotion that doesn't have any heavy oils. And here's the final look. They're not perfect. No sticker is going to match your nail bed perfectly, but the key is to put on that extra layer of a clear polish to seal the edges a little bit better. They may not last very long, but that's okay. They're just meant for an occasion to look really cute. There's so many different types that have text and different types of colors and designs. They're just really adorable and fun.